Hey guys, my name is Alexandria and welcome back to Shy Ranger and Alexandria. And today I'm going to be showing you my Princess Peach room. But not everything is peach in my room, but most of it's peach. So anyways, let's get started. This is the first thing I'm showing. My giant Princess Peach Showtime poster I got from GameStop for free. Because my mom told the GameStop workers that I love Peach and X if I can have it. And they gave it away for free and they surprised me by the family hanging this poster up. So yeah, this poster I got at the mall at GameStop for free, so it was a really good surprise. Great surprise. And next is my desk. So I'm gonna show you. I like these granola bars. The big chewy granola bars are my favorite. And some goldfish. And some whey. Here's my laptop and stuff. And I put a paper towel so I can put my water so it doesn't leak like crazy and make rings on the wood. So that's why my water's there. Here's my GoPro and GoPro equipment so I can film videos underwater like water parks or pools. Here's more of the Princess Peach stuff. I'll show you that at the end. Here's the Bath & Body Works stuff I got before Valentine's Day. Here's the Goofy string I got as my birthday party goodie bag. I don't know if I'm gonna use it or not, but here's the gummy pizza I got at the mall. And these are the toys I got from Chick-fil-A. And some Happy Meal toys. Here's the stuff to put medicine on vacation, Q-tips, and pictures of people I love, especially Peach. My nail clippers, spray for my nose if I have really bad allergy. Here's the sand dollar I found at last year's beach when I went to Grayling Beach in 2024. And here's Neosporin and Band-Aids. There's Chick-fil-A cow, slime, and all the other stuff. This is the Hello Kitty thing I got at my birthday. Here's what it looks like when it lights up. And that's what it looks like when it lights up. Here are recipes I'm gonna make in the future, including my cookbook. And here's my hairbrush, deodorant, medicine. Here's the charms from the slime from the past. Still have that rainbow slime when Brennan came earlier this year. Here's the scrunchie when I put my hair up when I brush my teeth. Here's the Sweetheart cherry perfume and vitamins, medicine, and stuff. And I'm gonna show you what's in the Happy Meal. This is the first toy I've ever gotten, and I know it's boring, but I'll show you what's in it. This is the first Happy Meal toy I ever got, the dry fruit and stickers. I know it's kind of boring, but there are 2 more Happy Meal toys. I'll show you the next Happy Meal toy I've got. So I'm gonna open it up and I've gotten the golden Happy Meal box. Here's the golden Happy Meal box, and this where all the little toys come in, but you probably know. Let me open what's in that little box. So in it there are gold stickers like that, and I'll show you that one more. And here's another Happy Meal that I got. I know it's a normal one, but this is the fur toy I got, and there's something in there. This is what it looks like inside the normal Happy Meal. It's the same stickers, except it's not gold because it's not a gold box. So and that's what's all on my desk. Oh my gosh, I forgot to show you what's in there. In this drawer, there is leftover stuff from my birthday party, including the stamp and the bracelets and stuff. And some of the Princess Peach cupcake toppers. I have some leftovers on that. And this is a rock candy I got from my vacation trip the day before I went to Great Wolf Lodge. There's some leftover stamp. I chose the piranha plant. Here's my peach straw. And my peach stamps, leftovers from the party. And yeah, that's all what's in the drawer. And that's all for the desk. So now I'm going to show you what's next. Next is this little shelf right here. And I'm going to show you starting from the top. This is the piranha plants, the plushy one and the figure. And that's the Princess Peach glasses I got for my birthday this year, but I don't wear it because it is not actually sunglasses, it's just a party decoration. So that's the top. Now there's Hello Kitties for a sneak peek. Brendan already knows this kitty because Mom got this from her vacation when she saw Brendan and my mom's brother in another state. Now I'm going to show you the kitties that Brendan has never seen before in person. This is the Hello Kitty I got from Easter this year. I didn't have the best Easter ever this year. I like last year's Easter better. Then a couple of weeks before my birthday, I got this little cute kitty here. Then on my birthday, my friend gave me this pineapple or chicken kitty, whatever that is. And my family gave me this ice cream Hello Kitty and that. And this is the Hello Kitty I got from walking. All the Hello Kitties that Brendan hasn't seen yet. And these are the Hello Kitties I got after my birthday. So at Build-A-Bear Workshop in the mall here where I live. On July 2nd, on Brendan's birthday, I made this Hello Kitty. And her name is Princess Peach Hello Kitty because she has a pink dress. And these are the little Hello Kitties. I have two each of these and only have one of this because I ordered that online and we had to get it all at once. So this is all the kitties that Brendan has not seen in person yet. And here's the goodie bag boxes and the Hello Kitty backpack I got from Christmas last year and a doll. And more of the goodie bags there, and that's it from the shop. This is a Princess Peach painting. I don't know if it's an actual real painting, but it looks like a painting and I like it. So over here is stuff, and I know it's kind of messy. Here's the 4th of July stuff. I forgot to wear this year on 4th of July. And there's Mario, Luigi's, and Donkey Kong's right here, and Princess Peach and the other characters. And these are the chocolate eggs I got at Easter to share in the basket. I'm saving this for a cookie recipe. Here's my Princess Peach journal and the pen I got for my birthday last year. Here's that star I was gonna hang up in my door in my room, but I forgot because it was a busy, lame 4th of July. So, oh, and I forgot. This is the balloon I've had since my 21st birthday. I got it because Princess Peach is on it. So now I'm gonna move on to the next. Next is my bed. So when it gets cold, I pull this brown blanket up. It hasn't been cold. Here's the Princess Peach blanket I got last year on Christmas 2024. And the pillow, and that's all for that. And here's my counter here, my scriptures and the song and other stuff. Kind of boring, but we're not gonna really show that. Here's a Peach picture. I got this for free from a store at Walmart. I think that's where I got it from. Walmart stores on that. And these are all my dolls. So these are the Princess Peach dolls and I love them all. So I got this on my 19th birthday, so this was my first Princess Peach doll. Then I got this at Target. I saw it and I wanted to get it. I got this baby Peach doll in the mall in Spokane a while ago. The Cat Peach doll from Walking. I got this Wedding Peach from Christmas last year. I got these Peach, 2 of them from Princess Peach Showtime. This holding Stella, I think. And this Peach Sword Fighter. These are the 2 Peach dolls I got for my birthday. And I got this Mario doll for my birthday too from one of my friends. And this is the Hello Kitty. The reason why this Hello Kitty isn't showing because it's crocheted from my friend and I don't want her to be on the bed and she can fall apart easily, so now we're gonna move on. Here are some of the Nintendo Switch games I play with. Do the Mario Party Superstars and Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, and I haven't done this game in a while. I might do this again sometime. And here's the Nintendo Switch controllers, and here's my Switch, and the stickers are on there, and I love Peach the best. And here's that fan when you wear around when you're hot. You just wear it around your neck. Here's the TV connected to the Switch where I play on it. Nail polish remover. Here's the white bag. I use it to put stuff when I go to the temple. This is the Great Wolf Lodge ears I got for free. Got it from Great Wolf Lodge. And here's this heart necklace I got from Great Wolf Lodge. We paid for it, but this was the closest name they had for me. I know there's not an E before an A, but it's a really close name. Here's some other stuff. Here's that Hello Kitty Yahtzee game when me and Brennan play it, if you've seen our videos. And this is the Uno we play when Brennan's around. And a mini locker and lotion and all this other stuff. Here is this another Peach picture thing. Same with this one over there. Got it for free at Walmart. So yeah. Here's the Shy Ranger picture I drew a long time ago. And here's this Mario case, including Peach in it so I can put stuff in it. And here's the Princess Peach drawing that my friends drew for me. Even it's kind of like a coloring page. This is what's in my closet. There's Rosarina, the other princess. This is another character. This is the birthday wish that I got from my friend. Here's some stickers, Princess Peach stickers, and other characters. Here's the Princess Peach figures I have. I know that's not Peach, it's Zelda. And here are other stuff, the figures, and got the Mario Kart one right in front here. And the one holding the umbrella right here for my friend for my birthday. Got this Princess Peach chain and the Zelda figure and the Peach amiibo figure on my birthday this year, and the rest is I have Princess Peach stickers all around, like everywhere. All the Princess Peach stickers are everywhere. So I have a lot of Peach stuff in here. So yep, these are all my Princess Peach stuff in my closet. This is all the Princess Peach party stuff that I ordered twice. So this is the second order of the Princess Peach party. I ordered this after my birthday, so I'm gonna show you. Here's some Peach bracelets. They're on each side. That's what the Peach bracelets look like, and same with the chain on each side. Yeah, and I'll show you the other side of the bracelets. And there's orange, yellow, blue, but the others are pink and purple on the other side. So this is what it looks like. Here, these are the Princess Peach pens and the Mario and other Princess Peach stamp. So I'm gonna show you here. And these are Peach stickers that came in here. And boxes to put all the stuff in here. So the boxes are easy to put together. So I'm going to show you how I put it together. This is the box that it comes with. So you're going to fold it like this. And make sure that it faces like this. On the bottom it go like this. Okay, you push the bottom like this, and you fold it like this, put that second there, and then you tuck it in, and it should close. If it gets tucked in like that, and it will get closed like this. So now, yeah, it should be closed like this. And on the top, you need to bend these, like the top pin it like this. Push down as hard as you can and do the same on the other here. And so these are nothing to put. So you take these out. Take these things out first. And then you're gonna place it like this. Like a box like this. And after you put it on the bottom, you're just gonna put like this on each side. And that's how you make the box like that. So, yep, that's how I make it. It's pretty simple to make. But once you practice, it gets easier. So, yeah, that's how you make it. And I'm wearing a Princess Peach shirt too. And another Princess Peach stuff behind me, so yeah. This is what it looks like from all the stamps. So I did it in each order of these stamps. Usually Daisy's not pink. So on the order that I got on my birthday, this is the original Daisy. So this is the orange Daisy. She's supposed to look like that, and that's the pink Daisy, and those are others. So I hope you enjoyed this Princess Peach room tour, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!